Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Nubia Alpha is a smartphone with a 4-inch OLED display that can be worn on your wrist. The phone was showcased at the Mobile World Congress 2019, and it also doubles up as a fitness tracker to monitor heart rate, steps, etc. The design itself is bulky, and Alpha looks straight out of a sci-fi movie of 90s. Another interesting feature is gesture control, which allows you to swipe your hand either sideways or up and down to swipe through apps or browse the menu. The idea with Nubia Alpha is to bring convenience of a smartphone to your wrist, and the phone is available in black as well as gold color options.